Okay, so this is going to be a quick video, guys. Basically, I've been asked many times about establishing order flow and how to use RTO to our advantage. RTO, as we know, is just basically an order block responsible for a large impulsive move to the upside, or the order block responsible for pushing price out of consolidation and compression. So we're just going to build up basically a scenario here on this particular pair. Now, this particular pair is just one I've been trading, so it's one I'll use, but we can apply it to any pair that you want to. So it'll be basically, we're just going to establish order flow here. Let's start off with the daily time frame. So if we look at the daily time frame, it's been going higher here. So all we need to do is basically we're going to mark up the top of the order block. So I'm just marking up the wick of the order block responsible for basically pushing market structure higher. Again, over there, market structure going higher. Again, market structure over here on this down candle going higher. And again, down candle before the move to the upside. And again, that is a pullback. So price then pushes higher. And again, so I've just marked up basically a few daily order blocks over here, responsible for a move again to the upside. So a pullback and then a move to the upside. So I'm establishing myself a bullish order flow here on a bullish chart. As we see, it's bullish. The order flow is bullish. Daily is bullish. So then we're going to come down here to now establishing or having established the daily order flow. And we're going to see that the same rule applies that we are now going to use on the 4-hour, the actual RTOs. So we're going to mark up an order block. Now inside here, there's obviously going to be a lot of order blocks over here, but we see this is as consolidation over here and the market's bullish. So we're going to be looking for buy setups. Why? Because the order flow is bullish. So we're going to look for buy setups. So we're going to have an order block over here, this down candle getting traded through. So at the top of this down candle over here is going to be our 4-hour order block. So anytime price trades through it and comes into it, obviously there's going to be other concepts like fair value gap liquidity voids, maybe some discounts. Obviously you're going to be looking for a discount in a bullish market or bullish order flow. And this would be our RTO over here. Okay, price pushing through that and testing it. And again, anytime you have some sort of pullback, okay, so we're going to look for a move to the upside. Now I can go ahead and mark up all of these down candles as order blocks, but I'm specifically looking for the order block that pulled back and then showed willingness to go higher. Okay, so the last down candle was the pullback end and then a continuation higher, and that is that down candle over here on the 4 hours. So that is what we refer to as the RTO candle over there. Okay, and then price basically goes higher over here, and then there's going to be, again, at some point there's going to likely be a pullback. Okay, so what's going to happen is there's going to be one last down candle before the move to the upside. And again, over here we have a pullback over here, and this down candle over here is the one I'm going to use. Why am I going to use this one? Well, if I used any of these, they are inside of this one. So this big down candle encapsulates all of the price action occurring inside here. So we established the daily order flows bullish, and we are using the 4-hour RTOs for possible re-entry into taking a trade, basically.